Namaskar. Distinguished guest on the dais, and you, dear loving Rasikas. Let me tell you, age is just the number. You never become old to do the bhakti. If Shabri can reach to Rama, then we are too young to worship the God. One thing that I must say, this art form is not created by us. It is the gift of God. And artists are the Gandharvas and Apsaras of the heaven. Such is the example of Srimati Hemaji. Till today, she keeps the audience spellbound. In her dancing, you can see utmost devotion. Her human qualities become divine, and her divine qualities becomes human. Whether she is Radha, whether she is Meera, whether she is Durga, whatever the role that she presents, she represents the supreme spirit of the goddess. Whatever she dances, it reaches to the heaven. These are the pious souls who descend on this universe and takes you across to the God which you and I have not seen. She inspired Bhagyashree Tai and told that you must do dance. See, we are all gifted. Very few are chosen by the art and the God that you can come and perform on the stage. It is not the cup of tea of everyone who can become and face this Yagna Kunda. Stage is a sacrifice, Vyasapita. And there, how you perform your yagna, you have to offer yourself, purify yourself at the feet of the Lord. Little bit of deviating from the devotion will burn you. It is not the sheer entertainment, but you are dancing for the supreme God. And that is what Bhagyashree Tai has proved, that at 55 also, if you have a conviction and devotion, you can stand and prove yourself that your devotion is utmost at the feet of God and Goddess. Shruti Mata Pitalaya. And thus, Takare Shankaraha Prokto Lakare Parvati Smrtaha Shiva Shakti Samayogo Tala Ityabhatiyate. The word Tala is the combination of Tandava and Lasya. Ta represents Shiva and La represents Lasya, Parvati. This is the combination, and that is what we have to understand, the mystic devotion that we as a vehicle transcend ourselves from this world to the world which we have not seen. I bless Bhagyashree Tai ji. I am very grateful to PD sir and their entire family to support her. And may Raja Rajeshwari and Shiva bless Bhagyashree Tai to continue this sadhana till God wishes her to offer her divine sadhana. I thank Prakriti and Bhaskaran for helping me for this mega event. Thank you so much.